Is it time to buy or sell asset entity stock? In this video, we're diving deep into asset entities. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 28th of May, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 24th of April, 2025, our system has identified asset entities as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.70. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 1,117.18% since we first designated asset entities as a buy candidate 24 days ago. This equates to an average return of 46.55% per day since it was classified as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and strong upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases within this trend are expected. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 138.71% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 14.53% to 347.98%. In terms of the longer term, our 12-month analysis points to a projected change of 5.09%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 92.32% to 91.59% over the next year. In current terms, this would position the future price somewhere between approximately 54.8 cents and $13.68. Our latest daily update for asset entities includes the headline, Volatile Ride for Asset Entities Incorporated stock price on Wednesday, moving between $6.80 and $8.54. The Asset Entities Incorporated stock price fell by 12.71% on the last day, which was Wednesday, the 28th of May, 2025, dropping from $8.18 to $7.14. This marks 3 consecutive days of decline. On the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 25.59%, with a day low of $6.80 and a day high of $8.54. Although the price has been unstable during this period, there has been a 19.6% gain over the past 2 weeks. Notably, volume decreased alongside the stock, which is considered a positive indicator, as volume should typically align with stock movement. On the last day, trading volume fell by 10 million shares, with a total of 8 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $58.35 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $13.40, while the lowest stood at 33.5 cents. Currently, the price is 46.72%, or $6.26, below the 52-week high, and 79.54%, or $27.76, below the all-time high reached on the 3rd of February, 2023, when the price peaked at $34.90. Asset Entities Incorporated, trading as ASST, recently announced a significant private investment of $750 million, facilitated by Strive Asset Management. This investment aims to lead a strategic initiative focused on accumulating Bitcoin. This transaction has the potential to yield up to $1.5 billion through warrant exercises, positioning Strive as a prominent player in the Bitcoin treasury landscape. This development reflects a strong commitment to leveraging digital assets, likely enhancing investor confidence and potentially leading to a positive trend in ASST's stock price in the short term. However, the enthusiasm surrounding the merger is tempered by ongoing investigations from various shareholder rights law firms that are examining the fairness of the merger transaction. Such scrutiny may introduce volatility and uncertainty surrounding ASST's valuation. The outcomes of these investigations could dampen investor sentiment in the near term as shareholders consider the implications for their investments. Long-term prospects appear promising, especially given the company's ambitions to maximize Bitcoin exposure and surpass traditional metrics in value creation for shareholders. Coupled with ASST's previous successes in digital marketing and social media partnerships, including notable agreements with TikTok and high-profile influencers, these efforts may solidify ASST's growth trajectory. Overall, while there may be short-term challenges affecting share performance, the strategic focus on digital assets and innovative financial strategies could yield significant returns for investors in the longer run. Analysts have assigned Asset Entities stock a general strong sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book value as neutral. Regarding return on investment, analysts also rate the stock with a strong sell recommendation. The following signals have been identified for Asset Entities. The stock of Asset Entities Incorporated presents a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, it also shows a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average, there is an overall buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive outlook. In the event of further gains, the stock is expected to encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $8.73. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will likely find support from the long-term average around $3.48. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown through the long-term average will generate a sell signal. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. However, several negative signals have also emerged, which could impact short-term developments. A sell signal was activated from a pivot top point on Thursday, May 22, 2025, resulting in a decline of 45.12%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which reduces the overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals that might interest you. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 4 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy from 253 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 3 days ago. The long-term moving average also shows a sell signal from 28 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 26 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart, we can see the short moving average indicates a sell signal from 28 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal from 23 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 16 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Asset Entities. Asset Entities Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $7.01. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. The stock exhibits significant daily fluctuations, demonstrating high volatility. With a large prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock experienced a range of $1.74 between its high and low, which represents a 25.59% movement. In the last week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 37.20%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Asset Entities, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is facing losses. Even well-established companies can go through difficult periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Asset Entities. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Asset Entities is at $7.69. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a noteworthy level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Asset Entities encounters its first support level at $7.01. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for asset entities from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 6th of December, 2024, when Gaubert Michael conducted an insider sale of 250,000 shares of Class A common stock. Our recommended stop loss is set at $6.72, which reflects a decrease of 5.84%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, leading to a significant level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal indicated by a pivot top that was identified 3 days ago. Is asset entity stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, combined with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for Asset Entities Incorporated stock to perform well in the short term. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 29th of May, we expect asset entities to open higher by approximately 35 cents and start trading at $7.49. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision on StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.